Hi there, Jeremy Wells of J Wells CFO here. 2020 has been an absolutely crazy year, but just when you thought it was over, it's not, because now you need to file taxes. You don't have to worry though, because J Wells CFO is here to help. In this free webinar, you'll find out everything you need to know about preparing to file your tax return, how your real estate business will affect your taxes, and if you received any COVID-19 relief, including a Paycheck Protection Program loan, unemployment benefits, or an EIDL, how that will affect you. You will be ready for tax time. In 60 minutes, I'll cover everything you need to know about what to include, how it will affect your taxes, and the best way for you to handle your tax return. I'll stick around after the webinar to answer questions in an open Q&A. Consider this a free hour with a tax professional right before tax time. You'd be crazy not to join this webinar. So enter your information to register, and I'll see you on December 30th.